Greetings. There's been a few changes to the class. We're kind of being tasked with getting all the grades into the gradebook, and so I've been practicing trying to get that to work with our MyOpenMath. And so instead of taking and using the MyOpenMath gradebook, we're going to try to go the other way and get into the Moodle gradebook. Now, the key with this is we won't have a current and up-to-date gradebook because I have to get that set up once you've done the assignment. Then I can start adding it into the actual gradebook because all the things don't pull over at one time. But there's some key issues we're going to have here. So first off, you'll see that all the homework assignments that count for points are now over here in Moodle, and you can just click on them and go there. But if you started, say, 3.1 in MyOpenMath, don't come over here and click on it and continue on here because it might not work. So finish it in the MyOpenMath. If the grade doesn't pull over, what I'll do is I'll go in and hand type all the ones that haven't pulled over, and what you need to do then is after you've finished 3.1 in MyOpenMath, come to 3.2 and then click on that, and that'll be your first assignment in MyOpenMath in Moodle. Now, a couple of key things. Now, this is for Mozilla Firefox, and then I'll show you Google Chrome in a little bit. When you click on it, nothing happens. And what happened is MyOpenMath is considered unsafe site, I guess you want to say, and so we're going to have to disable the protection. And so you just click up here and then click on the connection, secure connection, and disable that secure connection. And then you'll see this goes to non-HTTPS, which is non-secure, but it opens up, and so then you can go ahead and do your assignments in here, and when you finish, it'll save it directly to the Moodle gradebook. Now with Chrome, similar thing. We go down here, let's say we pick 3.3 this time. It doesn't show up, but on this one in Google Chrome, we see that the page is trying to load scripts from an unauthenticated source. We click that, say load those unsafe scripts, and guess what? Now we got the homework in Moodle. And again, the key problem is it's not going to be set like with MyOpenMath. It won't show 60% of the grade is your homework or is your exams and 10% homework, and that as we go. That's going to be a thing that's once all of the homeworks have been accomplished, then I can kind of gather those all together, all the exams together. I can gather them, and as we go, I'll just keep adding them together, and then the scaling should go into the gradebook. Now, if for some reason things don't work as anticipated, then we'll go back to just doing this all in MyOpenMath, and the grade will be there. So I'm hoping though that it's going to go and everything's going to work well the way it is in Moodle now. Now the key is I'm only linking to the assignments that you're doing. If you want to go into the MyOpenMath and do the readings, watch the videos there, or do anything over there, I highly recommend that because those aren't being pulled here. That would be a lot of stuff to put into this class, and you might have seen some in work progress that didn't work out, so we had to come back out and figure out what to do. And then we went back in, and now we can add it, but we decided to just do homework and quizzes and exams only, and so all that rest of the stuff is still going to be there. I'm going to still try to one thing where we can link to that first home page, and then you can kind of work through that in there, but I'm not going to guarantee that's going to happen or work. So hopefully this video will help you.